fuck's sake!
And next one. Please give me Coke. Coke. It's Coke. It's in English. I still remember the first time I went to America. I was at the airplane. I asked flight attendants that, can I get a cola? And she asked me, excuse me? I keep saying, cola, cola, cola. But it was not cola, it was Coke. It was Coke. It's Coke actually, right? So maybe a few Korean people could understand if you just say Coke. But most people cannot understand. Do you have Coke? Remember Coke? It's not Coke in Korean. What's Coke? So do you have? What do you have? Good. So Coke. And they said yes. What's yes? Simple. Please give me. Oh, please give me Coke. I want a Coke. Please give me Coke. Coke. And ask them the price of Coke. How much is this? How much is this? What's this? Then when you leave after buying something, you always say thank you.
Dua, tiga. Kok kakak diem aja?
Es que quiera perder el tiempo.